What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the Daily Podcast with NYU Grad. It's August 9th on Wednesday evening. This one's going to be a really short one today. This morning, I was out for a walk a little bit after the market opened, and I noticed that Apple and NVDA were really struggling, and as well as Tesla as well. And at that time, shares of safety stocks that were, basically the guns and butter, uh, those that pay a nice dividend, healthcare companies like ABBV, were doing better than the Magnificent Seven. And in the morning session, Breath was telling me that we may go lower all day. It was a lot of pressure on the sell side. And I'll cover the afternoon session in a second. But looking at the breadth numbers, today we had 166 new highs, 232 new lows, 37% were advancing versus 57% declining. In the morning session, Extreme Networks was still green. This is kind of one of my freebie picks for everyone. My stock spotlight on Extreme Networks will be coming out on Friday. It'll hit your inbox roughly about 5 a.m. on Friday morning. So when you wake up, you'll see my research into the company that you can kind of digest and do your own homework and use that as a jump off point. And then looking right around lunchtime, I had made a post on Substack Notes. Quoting myself, it said, unless you see breath pick up, take the day off, enjoy a long lunch break. And it was continued sell-off until roughly about 2 o'clock. It started to ramp, and it started to get a bid in the afternoon. But right around 2:30, I saw breath start to weaken again. And as I posted that, sure enough, the sell-off started in earnest. I think with the CPI numbers coming out tomorrow morning, on the bearish case, we may on the S&P 500 test real quickly the 50-day and then break it. And if we break the 50-day moving average, we can go as far as what I mentioned was that 4,444 range, where that is near the high volume node. But if the price reaction to the CPI numbers is positive, we can start to really ramp up to the upside to about 45.60 to 45.90. So a wide range if you love to trade the ES or the SPY. I think there's going to be a wide range if you can catch the right side of the trade on Thursday. That's all I really had today. I think it was kind of a throwaway day. Everyone's just waiting for the CPI numbers tomorrow on Thursday morning at 8:30. Just a quick reminder, I'm already starting to travel and I started packing today. I will not be doing a podcast for the Thursday session or the Friday session. I'm taking a long weekend. I will be back on the podcast booth on Monday covering the Monday session, and that will come out Tuesday early morning, like 5:30 in the morning as usual. But do keep a lookout for my analysis and short form notes on Substack Notes or Twitter. And on Friday morning, you're going to get the spotlight research on Extreme Networks. So thank you again. The subscribers, the numbers are starting to accelerate and pick up. So I appreciate you sticking with my Substack. If you know anyone that you think would have benefit or would just enjoy the content, please refer them. You get referral bonuses. It's free right now as far as the Substack, but eventually I do plan to have a paywall with a lot of the content that I'm producing both right now as well as additional content I'm planning to do in the future. So you can earn up ranging from 1 month to 6 months free. And once I have a paywall, that will go into effect immediately for those that have those credits. So you can check out on the Substack the leaderboard page, which will have the referral program. Thank you again. If I don't talk to you, obviously, this week because I won't be doing the podcast, have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you on Substack Notes. See you later.